Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Snapchat device ban. So check the updates of Play Store of Snapchat. You have to check your device has been updated. So mine is updated. If not, so you will be have to update the device of Snapchat on Play Store. So simply I have just go into the phone device settings. So when it's open and click to apps and find the Snapchat application. It will be loading in few seconds, so it will be little more bit. So scroll down to find Snapchat application and click it and click to force stop. So click to force stop and click to storage and clear cache. So when you clear cache again, force stop will be able. So again you have to go to phone settings and check the date and time is accurately corrected. So tap to search bar for date and time and click it set automatically. So you have to once again change the region of your country. So I will click the time zone and I will select United Arab Emirates, and again to change my own country of Pakistan, Lahore. So I will again choose my country and click to set automatically. So this is how to fix device is out of ban, how to unban. So you see it, my Snapchat is accurately working. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.